Hey, what is going on, Hugo? My name is John Nicholas, and I'm with NJSEO Marketing. As you remember from a Facebook message, I told you I would shoot this video for you, and I know that you said that you were already getting your website built. That's great. So I'm just gonna show you a couple things, three tips actually that I have for you, especially when it comes to having a website. So I don't know if you're having any SEO work done on your website or not, but right here is Katie's roof replacement. This is the first the first website that appears when you search up roofing restoration or a roofing in Katy, Texas. This is the first website on Google. I just give you a little overview of their website. They have, as you can see here, they have quite a bit of content for a website. Especially content is very important. That's the first thing I want to talk to you about. That's meaning how many words you have on your page, on your main page, and your sub pages. It's always important to have 1,500 to 2,500 words on your main page. Having more words on your pages allows you to implement keywords. And what a keyword is basically search terms that are searched by people who are looking for your services. And the more keywords you guys have on your website, the higher search volume you guys will get as well. And as you can see here, these little pictures as well, you guys have to make sure that they are saved under keywords as well. This one right here is not saved as a keyword. If it was, that picture will be helping your website get ranked as well. So that's one tip I have for you is content. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about is citations. What a citation is basically the name of your company as it is on Google, address, phone number, and all that listed in directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Facebook. Just anywhere business can go to put the information so that they could be found. And by having citations, that puts you up in the GMB, the Google My Business Map Pack right here. This is something you do have to get enrolled in though, but I can help you with that as well. But the more citations you have, the higher you guys will be ranked. And to beat your competitors right here, like Texas Roofing and Leak Repair, they're number one in the GMB. The way you would beat them is by copying their citations and then implementing more citations so that you don't only outrank them, but you make sure that they don't catch up as well. Then third thing I want to talk to you about your website is about backlinks. What a backlink is basically a link that links back to your website. Having more backlinks than your competitor is very important. It helps your website get ranked and outrank them. But something about backlinks is that not all links are created equal. So some are more powerful than others. So for instance, if your competitor has 2,000 backlinks and you have more powerful backlinks than them, then you might not need the 2,000 that they need to get ranked. You might need a way less and be outranking them too, just depending on how strong your backlinks are. So those are three tips I have for you with SEO work done. Another thing I want to show you is this tool called Ahrefs. So this is your top competitor in the Katy, Texas area, roof replacement Houston. Right here you can see that they have 542 referring domains, and that gives them 2023 backlinks, and that gives an organic traffic of 373 people per month. So that's 373 people who are visiting their website each month, and they have a total of 1,100 organic keywords. That's basically 1,100 words that they are being found for. So for you to be able to outrank this competition, you have to outrank them in every single aspect, and that's something that I can help you guys in. So those are the tips that I have for you today. I'm not sure how far along you guys are on your website build. I'm not sure if everything was like paid for already. I do website builds. I do the website build. I do the SEO work on them. Or if you only need SEO work done on your web page as well, that's something I could do. We can run like Facebook ads, Google ads, anything really. Uh, just contact me if any of this actually interests you. If it does, perfect. If it doesn't and you want to run with any of the information that I have, please feel free to use it. Other than that, I hope you have a good day and keep in touch.